The Lusikisiki massacre trial has adjourned until tomorrow morning. The trial stems from the 2024 mass murder of 18 people in the Eastern Cape. For an update on today's proceedings, we cross now live to our reporter, Sipha Kema. A very good afternoon to you, Sipha. Take us through very briefly, if you will, what actually transpired today before that postponement.
Well, today, right after lunch, court resumed with Mzukisi Ndamase then focusing mostly on the statements that were provided by Lwando Abi, but also one of the new things that he had asked about, the new questions that, or topic rather, that he asked about was Lwando Abi's wife being part of the witness list, but not only part of the witness list, she's also a state witness, turned state witness as well, and is also getting form of protection. Now, Abi had mentioned his wife today during cross-examination that she overheard a lot of the conversations between Abi and Ndamase while Ndamase was incarcerated. Abi then also had informed the court that his wife knew about the reason why he had to come from East London to Lusikisiki, and that it was on the instruction of Ndamase, as Ndamase had said that someone had gone into his home and invaded his home, shooting his nephew, and Abi needed to come and assist him, but also to ensure that his home was locked up and closed up as it had remained opened overnight. Now, Abi says, but the wife's statement does not, that's what Ndamase says, that Abi's wife's statement does not reflect that, even though in Abi's testimony and his statement, he says that his wife was fully aware of the reasons why he came to Lusikisiki and that she heard all the conversations between them. But Ndamase then poked holes through his testimony, saying, but your wife's testimony says otherwise. It is contradicting your statements and your testimony. So who is lying between yourself and your wife? Now, one last revelation that shocked a lot of the people in the courtroom was when Ndamase asked that a part of Abi's statement be read out loud. And when they read it out loud, Vuyo, one of the revelations was that accused number 5, Songezo Vuma, is in fact Mzukisi Ndamase's nephew. That was one of the shocking revelations. And then Abi mentioned that it's to this reason why he considered accused number 5 as a danger, but also seeing as how close he was to accused number 1 as well, but also revealing that they are indeed family.
Sipha Kema, live for us on the back, of course, of that trial that's still ongoing around the death of so many people in Lusikisiki last year. So, of course, staying with the story, which has now been postponed until tomorrow.